Hello there, welcome to Healthcare Engineering YouTube channel. We bring you so many informative videos on different concepts based on modern healthcare. I would like to welcome you all to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get instant updates of a new informative video. You can also visit our blog www.learnbiomedengine.blogspot.com to learn more on the concepts we share in our videos. We can support you in advertising your healthcare products, we can promote your healthcare events, we can provide technical reviews for your medical devices and many online supports to boost up your healthcare business. If you are interested to get support from us, please contact us in the given mail ID. In today's video, we are going to learn about safety shoes and covers from personal protective equipment. Safety shoes and covers are designed to protect the user's feet from a wide variety of injuries as well as infections. Some common types of injuries are puncture, impact, and compression. According to the standard given by Occupational Safety and Health Administration, employees must wear protective footwear while working in areas leading to foot injuries due to falling or rolling objects. These protective safety shoes also protect the user from exposure to electrical hazards. Protective footwear is mandatory for employees working in healthcare sectors. The purpose of safety shoes or covers is that they prevent us from injuries, punctures, cutting objects, and from electrical hazards. Shoes and covers help us to avoid slipping and falling on the floor. It prevents us from burns and extreme temperatures. Safety shoes must be chosen based on the hazards and risk. Always check the risk of objects falling or striking on the feet. Check for any sharp or pointed objects. Check for any objects that may penetrate the bottom of the feet. Check if there is any possibility for foot injury due to extreme temperature. And always check for correct fitting of the shoes. Safety shoes must be impact and compression protection. It should have electrical insulation to protect feet from electrical sources. Then how to don safety shoes and covers? Wear socks that adhere to the feet. Wear properly fitting shoes. Move your finger to fit the shoes to your feet. Move the feet back and forth to allow the insole to match the feet's anatomy. Never leave the shoe laces untied because it can damage the feet. Make sure you wear shoe covers before entering hazardous area, intensive care units, laboratories, and other industries. That's all about safety shoes. If you missed watching our other personal protective equipment videos, kindly watch it soon in our YouTube channel. Please subscribe our YouTube channel, share our channel to your friends and colleagues, and please like our YouTube videos. You can also follow us in any of the social media platforms and the links are given in the description below. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching.